At Cytiva, we have a broad range of filters to meet your buffer, media, and sample filtration needs. Most capsule filters have a vent port. They may look different, but all have the same function: to vent air from the filter. As you can see, when vented ineffectively, air can become trapped in your capsule filter. This prevents the filter membrane from wetting properly, decreasing performance and longevity, which will result in the need to use multiple filters. Venting allows you to fill the entire capsule with sample, properly wetting the entire membrane, utilizing the entire filtration area. Here is how you can perform proper wetting and venting of your capsule filters and save time and cost. Start by inserting your tubing into the peristaltic pump. Connect the tubing to the hose barb on the capsule filter. Arrows are present on all devices to show the direction of flow. Loosen the top vent of the capsule and start pump at a low speed. Close the port when you see liquid coming out. You have now successfully vented your capsule filter. If you are interested to learn more, visit our website.